Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add address to the Google Chrome app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Google Chrome. On the top right corner, tap on these three little dots, then go to the settings. And if you scroll down here, you will see addresses and more. Tap on it, and you have to tap on this plus on the bottom. Add address. You have to add your country, region. You have to add your name, the organization, if you have your street address and number, postal code, city, phone number, and email. After it, you have to tap on done on the bottom right corner. And make sure this button is turned on so you can autofill on site your address. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next